Hello everyone. I'm very happy that you all celebrating my birthday. And normally in Tibetan tradition we don't do much about the birthday, so I haven't really figured it out exact my birthday until few years ago. So we look at the old calendars and we find the calendar which is half, infused by smoke and half is can be look at. So actually I was being born in November 20. This birthday is, I think, it's good because my obstacle year is finished. Though I don't care so much, but my mom and family and in my culture, they care and I respect. And actually this year also for me is really, really nice. I did a lot of retreats in between, like teaching and then retreat. And one way I'm getting older. So birthday is we are celebrating to become older. And also nice that can contemplate more about impermanent also. So I'm almost become now 50, so it remind me also when I think about birthday, my future life journey. And of course, normally I have two things. My inner journey, my inner practice is always exciting, always kind of like the sense of purpose, sense of meaning, and discovery, unlimited discovery within yourself. And that is really my core kind of like essence of my life is based on these practice. The practice to discover my true nature. And very exciting. And it every year it changes. Of course you learn more. You become more happier also in a way. But not the happiness like not that kind of happiness. It's more content, complete, more feeling of everything's there, but you not recognize that before. So it's an ongoing journey inside. And that also really helps, that inner journey affect my teaching, my activity, my schedule, my busy life. So second thing is how I can teach this to others. Actually related with awareness, love and compassion, wisdom. And I repeat like broken record, always everywhere, three things. Though there's a different title, but it comes to three things. Though there's a lot of courses, it comes to three things. And that's true. These three things are really important. Essence of entire Buddha Dharma, essence of all the meditation. So I wish all of you also connect with these three things, continued for your life, your birthday. And especially nowadays, the world has a lot of polarization and a lot of change happening in the world. And there's no common ground that people come together. I think if we make it more, even in your family members, if you talk about awareness, compassion, wisdom, let go of the political aspect, let go of the races, culture, skin color, all this doesn't matter. Everybody has this awareness, love and compassion, wisdom. So for that purpose, we all together, even we are not agree each other, even we don't understand certain aspect, but the common ground is for the awareness, love and compassion, wisdom, and it works for me also. I think I can communicate any people from that level. Even at the beginning, they don't like me. After a certain level, they like me, and I like them also. 99% of the time. Sometimes 1 or 2 is difficult. So in our community, so we have what we call Dergar mandala. Mandala meaning complete, so many pieces together. So we have monastery, institute, school, Dergar International, Dergar Asia, and we have a lot of social help, Dergar charity and help organizations. So many different these organizations helping the Himalayan and the lower income places. So all of us that we can really come together with awareness, love and compassion, wisdom. So there's a common ground and individually uniqueness. Everybody has our individual purpose, individual function, activity, various to helping for the society, for the world. So I'm continued teach also. Next year I will come and teach some places also, and I will continue to practice also. So wish all of you happy and joyful, and develop inner journey together with whatever your journey, the outer journey together. Thank you.